Good day, everyone. This is Knox Henderson, Investor Relations for StrikePoint Gold. And with me today is StrikePoint CEO and Director, Mike Allen. How are you today, Mike?
Doing well. It's an exciting day for the company.
Yeah, I understand we have some much anticipated drill results. So maybe point out exactly what we're looking at here and where those results are coming from.
Yeah, and this is an overview of the Hercules Gold project that we're at right here. We're looking north. The project is located at about an hour and a half southeast of Reno, near a town called Dayton, which is over here someplace. The Hercules showing, main showing itself. This is the Hercules showing, northeast, rattlesnakes and stuff like that over here. Loaves and cliffs off to the side of the page. So most of the drilling that we did in this release is going to be on this Hercules showing here.
Okay, I can actually see the oxidization there. So yeah,
It is near surface oxidized gold. It's right there.
let's have a look at the numbers.
Sure. Yeah, so I mean, today we released 4 holes. We've got another 3 to come out of the lab. As I said, they're focused largely on the Hercules showing itself. That's where we kicked off the program. You know, and it shows what you would expect from Hercules. Near surface, 0 to whatever, of good grades oxide gold. Headline number is this hole number 4. So here on the map, and then there on the table,
Start. Yeah.
32 meters of 0.54, starting at 0. So 0 strip right into it, and away you go. You know, the other holes show similar sorts of numbers. You get into mineralization quite close to surface, and you go. This is largely in line with what we expected with what we've done with the project so far. The exploration model shows a near surface gold target, and this is actually very much confirming and building confidence in that exploration model.
Yeah, these numbers are very much in line with the historic numbers up to this date. So let's have a look at the model
Okay.
where this all sits.
Yeah, so this is the Hercules target here. And this is so the 4 holes that we released today are in this area here, putting more confidence into this. There is a lot of data here, but a lot of the data is old, so it's confirming, giving us that more confidence to be able to upgrade into measured and indicated resources. But you can also see the extent of what we're dealing with here. There's a large smash of mineralization trends, lack of drilling between the Hercules showing and the Siren showing. And then there's the other trend off to on the western side. This is cliffs and loaves. So looking forward, we've got another 3 holes to go. There'll be one more for Hercules, one more for cliffs, and then we put an exploration hole sort of into the gap here on the east side of loaves for a geochem target. And it will be interesting to see what those numbers turn up.
So I guess we're anticipating another batch of results imminently.
Yeah, I would say that we're going to be looking at things in another, let's call it a week to 10 days. It's going to take some time we haven't got the results obviously back from the lab. Then we've got to go through our QA/QC process, and hopefully the results are clean. If we get delayed on it, it's probably due to a QA/QC failure, and I would have to send something back to the lab. That doesn't happen very often, but you know, just managing expectations, it should be about 7 to 10 days would be my guess.
Yeah.
But if it goes longer, it's not our fault. It's what we're having to do to be able to make a clean disclosure to the market.
Yeah, I can see on this is a plan view. So maybe show everybody where the drilling is. It's actually fairly obvious.
Yeah,
It's down there in the south.
yeah. So it's towards the south end of the main Hercules showing is where we focus these 4 holes. The 32 meters of 0.54 starting at 0 is right about where my cursor is here.
Yeah.
And as I said, we've got 3 holes left to come. Another one in Hercules, a big hole. This was one of our longest holes over here at Cliffs, and then into this gap over here on the east side of the Lowe's target. So some interesting things yet to come with the company. Yeah, and I mean the other thing that I would say, just to add some context to the numbers, it's not just in line with our exploration model, it's in line with other both producing mines and assets in Nevada. Because this is shallow open pit heap leach oxide gold that we're looking at here, you can work pretty well with low grades and actually make some considerable money. A lot of the majors are working with this sort of material on their mines in Nevada, and they're making, particularly at current gold prices, they're making money hand over fist. Agnico just came out with a monstrous quarter, $815 million that they made. So I think that we're excited with the results. We're excited with Hercules, and we're excited for what's happening in the gold space right now.
Yeah, as the line says, big potential. And we have 45 other targets on our 100 square kilometer ground. So this is just the beginning, but it's great that this is already in line with our expectations. So we're pretty happy.
Yeah, it's a long time coming, but it was good to get our boots back on the ground at Hercules. I've worked this project before, and I think we've got it figured out into something predictable.
Excellent. Okay, well, we're looking forward to the next batch of results. Thank you, Mike, and thank you everyone for listening. If you want more information, you could call me, Knox Henderson, on this number and email that you see. And yeah, have a great day.